Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Asia. Unlimited data eSIM. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Voyafly.com, alright? And click on this, open this website in link in description, right? Get unlimited roaming data. Where are you traveling to? And write Asia. Asia, unlimited data. Click on this. Asia eSIM, 35 countries. And this, alright. This price, $4. Unlimited 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number. Instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright. What your SIM and cloud is. QR code for instant activation. No registration or subscription required. Keep your current WhatsApp number. Zero roaming charge. Free mobile hotspot. Buy now, activate later. 24/7 detected customer support. Right. Choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. And 30 days, 20 gigabytes and $75.95. Right. Or unlimited data. Choose a speed plan, light, plus or premium. Right. Premium 30 days and this price, blue speed and this price 30 days, and light speed this price 30 days. Right, and click on premium and click on 30 days. Order more, save more. Alright. Buy 2 SIM, discount this, buy 4 SIM, discount this, and buy 6 eSIMs and discount 25%. Alright. Quantity and 1, 2, 3 and alright. This, alright, 1. Scan QR code, activation instruction, right. 1 position and click on add to cart or buy it now. Click on buy it now. Open this and write discount code or no discount code and write ROM tips and click on apply. And this discount $30. This nice. On this, nice. Total savings $30, right? And write your email, card number, security code, date, and name of card and billing address, and this right, or use Google Pay. Click on this, pay, and that's all. You buy a SIM for Asia. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.